Hi guys and welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to build a C++ calculator. You will learn the fundamentals of C++, you will learn how to work with the strings, with user inputs, and you will learn some basic stuff about object-oriented programming. Create a new file, call it calculator, calculator.cpp. So cpp is the extension for C++ file. First include the IO stream. Include the string. Using namespace std. Open the main function here. First we get the user input. So string variable, call it user input. Cout to print a message. Please enter a math question. So here we get the user input and assign it to the user input variable. If user input dot size is greater than 2, if the user input is greater than 2, or if it is at least something like this, at least 3 characters, so it means we have the left side operand, an operator, and the right side operand, so that we can execute a math operator and get the result of the operation. Otherwise we will get error. For example, 2 plus nothing will throw error. And then we create our own type for getting operands. Operand, for example, add operator, and then here we pass the user input and the operator. So you have to create this class. Class get operand, public int, call it left operand, int right operand, and boolean is okay to check whether we have the left operand and right operand or not. By default it is true. Also a constructor, public get operand, string user input, and the sign. The operator sign, I mean. From the user input we check if it contains the sign or not. Not find the sign. So the find method returns the index of this character. If it finds, it returns 0 or greater than 0. Otherwise it returns -1. So if has operator is not -1, left operand string. From the user input, we get the substring from 0 to the index of the operator, which is has operator. And then we assign it to the left operand integer variable. So left operand is use stoi to convert from string to integer, and then pass the left operand string. And then string right operand str, user input dot substring, this time from the operator +1 to the user input dot length minus the left operand string dot size. Let me show you. For example, we have 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 6. The first part is we get from the index 0, which is 1, to the operator until here, and then for the right operand we get from the operator +1, so from 4 until the end, so the whole length minus the left part, and then the right operand is stoi, and then the right operand string. And if it is not okay, for else we say is okay, false. Very nice. We copy this for subtraction, multiplication, and division. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, change this to minus sign, change this to acres, change this to slash. So this is the sum, this is the multiplication, and this is the division. So if add operator dot is okay, we print the result. Cout the result of add operator dot left operand plus add operator dot right operand. And then Ctrl C, Ctrl V for subtraction, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and change this to minus. The result of sub, Ctrl C, Control V for the multiplication and change it to star for multiplication. Call it mul. And this one is division. The result of division. Very nice. Open the integrated terminal. Go to terminal, new terminal, G++ and the name of your file. In my case it is calculator.cpp. Hit enter. So here we have the compiled code a.exe. You can also compile it and export it as a different file name. For example, you can use -o compile.exe. compile.exe compile.exe, enter. Then it asks you, please enter a math question. First, 12 plus 12, we expected 24. So the result of add is 24. And this time let us use the a.exe, which is the same. This time 12 minus 12, we expect 0. So it is subtraction, so 0. And this time, for example, 5 times 9, we expected 45. It is actually 5x9. We used x instead of star. So 45. 45 divided by 9, we expected 5. And we got a problem here. We forgot to change the operator. This one is division. And save it. Clean the console. And compile your code again. Very nice. And 45 divided by 9, we expected 5. Very nice. That's it guys for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and being around. Have great times and hopefully see you in the next video.